Our next exercise is the one leg functional calf raise. So we're doing 3 sets of 12. So 12 reps on each leg and then 3 sets of that. You can go barefoot or you can go shoes. I recommend barefoot. It really makes you kind of grab your toes in. It gets more of that ankle and stabilization of that foot. If you have shoes on, it kind of doesn't really allow for that. So again, a lot of these exercises are better with barefoot. If you can't go barefoot, then shoes are okay. So we're going to really hold on to something stable here. So we're going to find some kind of power rack or a weight rack or a wall, something that you can brace on. And we're going to elevate that leg just slightly. I'm using the 8-pound medicine ball right here just because it can get flat, but you can use a box, you can use a small weight, you can use a 45-pound plate that has at least a couple inches because you want to go down and you want to dip down a little bit. So I'm just using this nice elevated surface because it's flat. And I'm going to hold on. I'm going to be bracing myself on this thing. So the main thing is we're going to hold on to something for support, stand on one leg, get that knee and quad involved. Kind of like a quarter squat, we're going to be really driving down. So our first motion is this down and back motion. I don't want to touch the ground, but I'm really getting this leg involved. And I'm going to stride up in one functional movement and then really hit the top of my peak here. So what I'm also doing right now here is I'm lowering this ankle. So this ankle now is getting some stiffness and some rigidness, like we're kind of accelerating into our jump. And then I'm going to explode up on that toe, really getting those foot muscles involved. The ball of my foot is really hitting. We're activating all these back calf muscles, getting a lot of energy into that Achilles. So again, down, not touching the ground. We're loading up. We're really getting that ankle flexion going and then really snapping up full extension of that calf. So here's from the side view. Again, functional calf raise. We're really driving that leg. We're focusing on stiffness. Do not let the leg collapse. At the top, drive as hard as you can. It's really teaching the glutes and quads and hamstrings to send energy through the calf to the floor. So we want to be able to transfer that energy into the floor. So right now I'm really building up a lot of energy on the ground. My foot is kind of hanging back down. You can see it's kind of going down below that line. And then it's full extension up on the calf. You can see everything contracted into my Achilles, up on the ball, and really getting a lot of energy into that arch and that foot. So we're really training that arch jump just like we need to do full extension jump. Down again, putting energy in the ground and then forcing it up. We want to hold for about 2 seconds, 3 seconds at the top of that, really contracting that calf. So we're really focusing on ground floor production energy and a lot of elasticity into that Achilles. So we're doing all ligaments, all activation of that calf. Down, then up. Down, then up. Really drive and then drive up on that calf. Again, last time. Drive down, drive up on that calf. Drive on that calf there.